celebration of International Yoga Day, Day 2 program, Pranayama and breathing exercise, performed by SHREYA.
Hello everyone, I'm Shreya Gupta of class 10D of Kendriya Island Grounds, Chennai region. Today I'm here before you in order to present Pranayama, which is one of the most important yoga forms. The word Pranayama is a combination of two Sanskrit words. Prana meaning life force, Ayama meaning to restrain or to draw out. The combined form of Pranayama is roughly translated as breath control. Practicing Pranayama is beneficial for a number of reasons. That is, focusing on your breath, it helps in managing stress, improves blood circulation, helps with number of medical ailments such as anxiety, depression, hypertension, headaches, gastric problems, etc. Some researchers also suggest that it also helps to improve cardiovascular function. It provides deep relaxation in the body and mind. Certain breathing exercises are not advised for the following people: those who suffer from hypertension or low blood pressure, those recovering from a recent heart attack, those with chronic heart conditions, pregnant women with menstruating, those with bronchitis or severe breathing issues. Experts advise that the best time to practice pranayama is early in the morning, especially on an empty stomach. It is an ideal to perform it outdoors so that you have plenty of fresh air. There are three stages of practicing pranayama. The first is Purak, that is inhaling, Kumbhak, that is restraining your breath, Rechak, that is exhaling out the breath.
Now let's get started. You may begin with the Padmasana or lotus position, or by sitting by keeping your legs crossed. It's up to your comfortability. Lotus position is a cross-legged yoga posture which helps deepen meditation by calming the mind and elevating various physical elements. Now slowly look into your mind. Feel your breath. Count your breath every second. Benefits of Padmasana are that it improves digestion, reduces muscular tension, brings blood pressure under control, relaxes the mind, reduces menstrual discomfort. Pranayama should not be practiced immediately after meals. You can do pranayama at least 3 hours after meals. Remember, a heavy meal will take much longer to get digested. For example, if you do pranayama in evening, eat a healthy lunch which gets digested by the time you start pranayama. Do not practice pranayama if you are too tired. Relax for 10 to 15 minutes in Shavasana before doing pranayama. Now, slowly open your eyes. Let's begin the second yoga pranayama. Nadi Sodhana. You begin in a seated cross-leg position, your spine stretched and back straight. With your thumb, press down on your right nostril. Use your left nostril to breathe in deeply. Hold your breath for a beat and then switch your thumb so that you are now pressing down on your left nostril and then exhale from your right nostril. Repeat this process, alternating between your nostrils by breathing in through one and exhaling through the other. You can repeat this 10 to 15 times. Nadi Sodhana soothes the nerves. It helps to still the mind and it balances the subtle energy of the body.
While there are many types of pranayama and ways in which we can guide the breath to achieve specific effects, Nadi Sudhana can be accessed by almost anyone and effective for the stresses of everyday life. Create a soft, quiet breath to the best of your ability. If this is a challenge, just slowly work towards it over time, quieting the movement of breath through the nose. As you move into this practice more consistently, visualize the breath as a movement of light meeting at the pinnacle of the third eye. Space between the eyebrows or now, the fourth yoga pranayam is Kapalbhati. This pranayam begins in a seated position with you breathing normally 2 to 3 times. After this, you must inhale deeply and exhale with force, sucking your belly in as you expel all the air. When you inhale again, your belly should go back to the same position. You should repeat this 20 to 30 times. Since this Kriya requires a lot of energy, it generates body heat, thus dissolving toxins and waste matter. The breathing technique is known to enhance the functioning of the kidneys and livers. One of the most important benefits of Kapalbhati pranayam is that it relaxes the eyes, and as a result of that, it can help to go away with the dark circles as well as premature signs of aging. It improves blood circulation and digestion. Kapalbhati pranayam benefits from weight loss as well. This is possible as it increases your metabolic rate rapidly. Side effects of Kapalbhati pranayam are: this kriya can lead to high blood pressure. It may also cause a hernia. A vomiting sensation is likely if Kapalbhati is not performed on an empty stomach. If you are a heart patient, then go slow while exhaling. The kriya must not be performed immediately after a meal. is Brahmari Pranayam. In this pranayam, your eyes and ears will be closed. You close your ears with your thumb and close your eyes with the help of your fingers. Take a deep breath and exhale with a chant of Om. Repeat it 10 to 15 times. Brahmari Pranayam is the best cure for stress. It nurtures peace in your being, which in turn results in self-healing. The Brahmari Pranayam lowers one's blood pressure, thus relieving hypertension. It releases cerebral tension, hence it is recommended as a nightly routine yoga for better sleep. To conclude, I would like to say that to have a healthy and harmonious life, it is good to practice yoga. Let me conclude with what is said in Bhagavad Gita. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. In the end, I would like to thank you all for giving me this opportunity. And I hope that you would surely practice yoga daily in order to live a healthy and harmonious life. Thank you.
Hope you learned something new today. Practice it. See you tomorrow.